Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel.
Hi.
I have my little sidekick with me again today. This recipe is perfect for those times when you just need to de-stress or just soak and pull some toxins out of your body. This is double. I will make sure to leave the smaller recipe in the description box below. I'll begin with the container. Now for this bath soak, I like to keep mine in this glass container. The first thing we're gonna add is 1 cup of baking soda. Is there baking soda in here?
Yeah.
Here.
Baking soda.
Baking soda, good job. We're done in here. The baking soda works in connection with the epsom salt as it draws out the toxins from your body and it also aids in absorption of the essential oils. We're now gonna add 3 cups of oats. Now I have taken whole oats and we have processed them into smaller chunks, smaller pieces. Oats are very soothing to the body, especially if you have poison ivy or chicken pox or any kind of skin irritant. Go ahead and pour it in, buddy. Preston here likes to help in the kitchen. His job is typically to pour something in or to stir. The third thing we're gonna add are Epsom salts. Now I have a few Epsom salts in this container right here, but I wanted to show you what a tip and trick that I use with my Epsom salts. I will keep a mason jar in the pantry for about halfway full or a third of the way full of Epsom salts. This one happens to have a few oats in it too. As I empty bottles of essential oils and I think there's no more in there, instead of throwing them in the trash, I take the cap off, I will try to pop out the insert, and I will put it in here and gently give this a little stir, and I am making sure that I am getting every drop of essential oil that was in that bottle. I've already taken one of my other mason jars and pulled out all of the bottles that was in it. These are the Epsom salts I have left. We're fixing to do the same with this container. So we're just gonna pull out some of the bottles. Now there are several scents in here. That is okay. Each oil has their own benefits. When it comes to what we will use in the recipe, there will only be 4 that I will add to it. And I will make sure to leave descriptions down below on why I use those oils. Let's try it here. Let's try pour this in and you can grab it from there. So we're gonna want about 3 cups of Epsom salts. We'll stop there and see where we're at. Now we'll just pull out all the bottles, all the caps. As you can see, I took the insert out of this one. This was a lemon, so I'm gonna dump out all of the salts that happen to go into that bottle. This is a great way to make sure you're getting every last drop of those oils. Now that we have pulled out our bottles and we have about 3 cups of Epsom salts, we're gonna add some essential oils. The 4 that I use: lavender, oregano, basil, and peppermint. This is a double recipe, so it's going to be 60 drops of oils, all 4 oils. So I will put about 15 drops of each of these 4 into the Epsom salts. We will mix it up and then put that into our container.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we have all 4 oils into the Epsom salts. We're gonna give it a little stir and then put it in our container. Recipes like this are perfect for little kids. They can get in there, they can stir it, they can learn at a young age. Take care of your body. If you start young, it'll grow with them. Hang on. So we'll put a little bit in this here right now. Close the lid. Give it a good shake to get it all incorporated. Start mixing all of our ingredients.
Now when you put this in the tub, the oats will essentially go to the bottom first, but the salts will have the essential oils with it and disperse it in your tub. So we're gonna pour the rest into our jar, give it another good shake, and we will be ready for a nice, relaxing, detoxing soak. Okay, let's take it. Dump it in here. Dump.
Uh-oh. Full.
Yeah, it's full. And there you have it, a stress-free detox bath soak. I tend to use about 1/3 of the cup to 1/2 a cup of this mixture into my bath. You may want to start off at a smaller amount if you've never done a detox bath before. I try to do one at least once a week. Depends on if I'm sick or if I think I need more than that, but once a week is very, very good. This is another good soak to use if you've been working out or if you have sore muscles. The Epsom salts in this recipe will be nice for the muscle relaxation. We hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Let me know down below what essential oils you like using in your own soaks. And until next time, we will see you later.
Bye.